Alright, child. So as you can tell by the title, I'm telling random girls to rate me on the Monkey app. You meet random people on video and shit. Connect with like girls or boys and live and shit. I'm trying to connect with strictly the females. 1:30, 1 o'clock in the morning and shit. I'm trying to connect with all the females. I ain't on none of that shit. Other niggas on this like, dog, don't put me in it. Rate me 1 to 10. We gonna see what they do. And let's see what they talking about. Dre. How you doing?
You're handsome.
I am, thank you. At time.
You really are. Not even
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
You are an entree.
That's a 10. What?
That's more than a 10.
More than a 10. Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Add me on the snap. You don't need no makeup.
Okay.
Real shit. Yeah. Alright, look, I'm gonna catch up with you. I'm finna add you on that.
Okay.
She crazy. She just went crazy.
From 19 Illinois.
What's up with it?
Can I tell you something?
Come on, tell me what.
You seen 10 dicks tonight.
Damn.
What? 10 dicks tonight.
That's a 10. I ain't even have to ask them, gang. I ain't even have to ask them.
What's up?
What's up with it?
Hey, at time.
Where you at? Hey, what would you rate me?
time.
I did. Hey, what would you rate me 1 to 10?
I give you a 10.
A 10? I like
Hey,
that.
my body.
I see. You about, I don't know. You got me confused right now, honestly. So, hey, just add me on the snap, gang.
So, boy was cute. What's up?
What's up?
Whoa, chicken nugget head. No, I'm just playing.
Y'all rate me 1 through 10.
Smell some more. I like that.
A 2?
A 1 through 10 is 10 to me.
Yeah, I like that.
My sister
Thank
said
you.
she'll give you a 2, but I
Hey,
know
gang,
it's
look.
like she got a boyfriend. Right.
Turn! Got a 10. $1:25 in the morning. I be up all night though. Real deal. But I don't get on here trying to do all that pretty boy shit, man. Keep it skipping, man, for a nigga kick you in your shit, dog. Close your motherfucking mouth. Man, the nigga don't care what you talking about. Close your motherfucking mouth for a nigga knock one of your motherfucking teeth out, boy. See how a nigga get on your ass, boy, and you can't say shit? That's how you shut a nigga up on this bitch. Hoodie ass boy, you look like a baby anteater, boy. You ugly as fuck, boy. Look like somebody kicked your motherfucking teeth in, boy. That's lining back, boy. That's funny as fuck. Hey. Nah, add time. What would you rate me 1 through 10? 10? Damn, I'm up there like that. Turn. Got him cracking. 1 o'clock in the morning, 1:30. What's up with it? Need y'all to rate me 1 through 10.
I do 7.5.
A 7.5? Alright, what you give me? A 8?
Got you.
Rate me 1 through 10. I can be a 0.
A 9.
A 9? Yeah, we lit. We lit. Hella pretty. Add time.
Thank you.
You to rate me 1 through 10.
Who, you?
Yeah.
A 9.
A 9? Damn, I'm up there.
Yeah.
Add me on the snap. Alright, so that's all I got today. I'm happy. I'm so happy we got the last girl out the way, and she was so fine. I don't know her name. I never got her name. I don't think I got any of their name, but shit, I know I got all their Snapchats. So I'm gonna let y'all go on with y'all day. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this, because real shit, I can do this shit on a daily. So let me know what y'all want to watch. Let me know how the video was, and get back to me. I'm out.
2 for 25, 2 for 25.